How to unlock invite friends in Hamster Kombat. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, you need to check your account settings. Ensure that your account allows for friends invitations. Sometimes privacy settings can restrict this feature. Next step is refresh and reconnect. You need to log out from your Telegram account completely. You can simply head over to your settings by clicking on it on the bottom right. Then you need to simply go for the logout option, which will going to be in the edit on the top right corner of your screen, and then you just need to click on logout on the bottom of your screen. Then you need to log in again and see if your issue resolve itself or not. Next step is platform specific fixes. If you encounter issues with a specific app like Hamster Combat in this case on Telegram, you need to make sure to wait at least 24 hours before the applications resolve their issue itself. So that's the only way right now that you can do in order to fix invite friend option not showing in your Hamster Combat.